Two heavyweights in the world of home security, Ring versus Cove. One promises smart integration, the other swears by simplicity. Which one really delivers? On the left, Ring, famed for its smart security and endless integrations. And on the right, Cove, the champion of simple, reliable, pro-monitored protection. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So here's the big picture. We're comparing Ring and Cove across a bunch of categories: price, smart home integration, professional monitoring and reliability, mobile app experience, equipment and customization, contracts and flexibility, and finally, best use case. Oh, and we'll have a little fun interruption, so watch out for that. Okay, let's kick it off with price. Ring is honestly impressive here. I mean, lowest monitoring starts at $10 a month, and you actually get cloud storage thrown in. If you're on a budget or just want to do it yourself, you can even self-monitor for free. Sometimes they have refurbished gear for a steal, which is a nice bonus. But quick heads up, the premium packages can get expensive fast, and if you want professional monitoring, there's going to be an extra fee. Now, Cove. So they throw in a lot of discounts and occasional freebies, which is cool. But their basic plan starts around $18 to $20 a month, a bit pricier, and, this is kind of a bummer, cloud video storage isn't included unless you pay extra per camera. So, if you're looking at value, Ring definitely takes this one. Alright, so smart home integration. This is where Ring totally flexes. It works with Alexa, Google Assistant, you can tie in smart locks, bulbs, garage door controllers. Honestly, the list keeps growing. Plus, their automation options are super flexible. Like, you can really geek out with routines and stuff. And really, no major cons here. Cove, it does have Alexa and Google Assistant support, but only on the upgraded plan. But, and it's a pretty big but, no third-party smart device integrations, and automation is pretty much just basic. So if you want your security system to play nice with the rest of your smart home, Ring's the winner. Hands down. Next up, professional monitoring and reliability. So with Ring, you get 24/7 Pro monitoring, but it's optional, and they do offer cellular backup, but it's not the default. Just something to keep in mind. Now Cove steps it up, honestly. Every single plan gets cellular backup, which is huge if your Wi-Fi drops a lot. Plus, they use Rapid SOS for literally faster emergency response. No waiting around. Also, the system is super intuitive if you're a beginner. The flip side, though, you need a subscription for pretty much all the features. Bottom line, Cove kind of secures the win here if you're all about pro monitoring and reliability. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Ring was actually called Doorbot before Amazon snatched it up back in 2018? Kind of wild when you think about how huge they are now. Mobile app experience. This one might surprise you. Ring's app is slick. You get one unified app for all your Ring devices, and setting things up is basically painless, even for total beginners. Cove? Setup is easy, I'll give it that. But, and here's the catch, you actually need a separate app just to view cameras, which feels a bit clunky, especially in 2025. If you want that plug-and-play, all-in-one vibe, Ring's got the edge for sure. Equipment and customization! Ring just wow. They've got everything: wired, battery, solar cameras, video doorbells, motion sensors, smart accessories for days. It's flexible. You can mount stuff pretty much anywhere and power it however you want. Now, the packaging can get expensive, especially when you keep adding stuff. Cove's packages are straightforward. You get the security basics, from entry sensors to glass break sensors, but not a lot of bells and whistles. Very few accessories, and honestly, there's no support for smart locks or garage sensors at all. So again, Ring shines if you want options, while Cove keeps it simple. Let's talk contracts and flexibility. This is a tie, so if you hate commitment, you're in luck. Both Ring and Cove let you go month to month. Cancel anytime, no hidden gotcha clauses. Super chill. Last up, best use case. Ring is amazing if you want that smart home ecosystem. Like, you want your doorbell, cameras, lights, locks, all working together. It's pretty much built for city or suburbs with solid Wi-Fi. Not so great if your connection's sketchy, though. Cove, on the other hand, is perfect for rural areas or places where Wi-Fi isn't reliable. Also, discounts for teachers, first responders, and more. Downside? The automation is pretty basic. Ultimately, it depends on the type of home and user, so I'd call it a draw here. If we lay out all the scores side by side, you can really see where each system shines and stumbles. Ring takes the lead in price, smart features, app experience, and customization. Cove definitely owns reliability and monitoring. No contracts, and both fit different lifestyles. So here's my honest take. If you're the kind of person who loves tech, automation, and controlling everything from a single app, Ring's going to make your life way easier. But if you just want peace of mind, especially out in the country or somewhere without stable Wi-Fi, Cove's legit. Simple, reliable, and fast emergency response. If you enjoyed this head-to-head, bookmark it and come back for the next home tech showdown. Stay secure, stay